Now third type of muscles, cardiac muscles. Cardiac, as name indicates, these are muscles which form walls of heart region. So here it is a structure of cardiac muscle. Important feature is that cardiac muscle also show presence of transverse bands in the form of striations, but these are uninucleate structure and are branch one. Branching is there. Outer covering is of sarcolemma, which encloses sarcoplasm, and junction between adjacent cell. Here it is one of the cell, second cell. At this junction, special cells are present called intercalated disc. So it is an intercalated disc which is present at junction between two cardiac cell. So that is a simple diagram of cardiac muscle. Let's come to study cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are also known as heart muscles. We study their features. So cardiac muscles show characters of both striated and non-striated muscle, meaning they show characters of both skeletal muscle and smooth muscle. Sarcolemma is not clear. Hence, it is uninucleate muscle fiber appear to be multinucleate. Actually कशा आहेत uninucleate, पण असं काय वाटतं की multinucleate आहे. Originally they are uninucleate. Adjacent muscle fibers are joined together to give branch appearance to the tissue. So it is because of joining of adjacent muscles or adjacent fiber. Points of adhesion meaning union of muscle fibers are formed by transverse thickenings of sarcolemma called intercalated disc. Intercalated disc or junctions at places allow cardiac muscles to contract as a unit. It helps in quick transfer of stimulus. Because of contraction, quick transfer of stimulus take place. Cardiac muscles are striated but involuntary muscle. They can't work according to our will. आपल्या इच्छेप्रमाणे हार्ट फंक्शन करेल का? नाही. That's why cardiac muscles are involuntary. In some mammals, cardiac muscles are modified and capable of generating muscles on their own. काही कार्डियाक मसल्स आहेत ह्या कशा आहेत? मॉडिफाईड आहेत आणि ते स्वतः इम्पल्स जनरेट करतात. हेन्स मॅमालियन हार्ट इज मायोजेनिक. व्हाय मॅमालियन हार्ट इज मायोजेनिक? Because cardiac muscles are modified and are capable of generating impulse on their own and hence they are myogenic. 12th मध्येही हा पाठ तुम्हाला पुन्हा आहे. In some animals, cardiac muscles need neural stimulus. Neural stimulus meaning stimulus from nervous system to initiate contraction. Such heart is called neurogenic heart. म्हणजे मसल हार्टला कंट्रोल करत असतील तर त्याला म्हणायचं मायोजेनिक, आणि नर्व्स किंवा नर्व्हस सिस्टीम कंट्रोल करत असेल तर त्याला म्हणायचं न्यूरोजेनिक हार्ट. कार्डियक मसल फॉर्म मायोकार्डियम ऑफ हार्ट बॉल. मायोकार्डियम मिनिंग मेडियन लेअर ऑफ हार्ट बॉल. हार्ट बॉल ही 3 लेअरची बनलेली असते. त्यापैकी मधली लेअर कशाची बनलेली आहे? कार्डियाक मसलची. We call it as myocardium. So it is also a part of 12th. We have to study it in detail. So with this part of cardiac muscle, I will give you one homework. You have to sketch and label cardiac muscles that I have shown in your book, which is that 10.18 belonging to page number 123. With this, we have finished three types of muscular tissues, three types of muscles belonging to muscular tissue. If there is any doubt, ask me. And along with this, there is a one question of differentiate between smooth muscle, skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle. तीन वर्टिकल कॉलम बनवा, स्मूथ मसल, स्केलेटल मसल आणि कार्डियाक मसल, आणि जे इम्पॉर्टंट फीचर आहेत हे डिफरन्स फॉर्ममध्ये लिहून काढा. म्हणजे तुम्हाला तीन वेगवेगळे डिफरन्सेस तीन वेगवेगळ्या कॉम्बिनेशनमध्ये इथे करता येतील. सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ होमवर्क. ओके.